I was actually working as a server and a hostess in a restaurant, and one of my clients came in one day, one of my people that used to come in for breakfast or lunch, and happened to tell me about a hotel that was opening not far from where I was working, and that they were looking for someone in the office. Well, I thought if I could just get into an office job, that would be great. And so I went over there and I applied and I got the job. And I started as all due respect to every admin out there, no matter what industry you're in, you are the glue that holds it all together. And without that foundation of someone coordinating and organizing and holding it all together, the people that you serve and support could not be as productive and as efficient as they are. So when I say this, I mean no offense to anyone who works in an admin position, but I started in the lowest position in a sales and catering office within a hotel, and that was the secretary. That's what we were called back then. I was in hospitality for over 30 years, so I go way back, but I was the secretary to the director of catering. She would tell you, pull your bootstraps up and keep on going. But the other thing that she would always say to Joy and I is go into your work today and give your job, give your boss 110%. And here's what I found about hospitality. It is an industry that rewards the 10%. It rewards the 10% in so many ways.